There's a quiet intelligence in nature, a rhythm that the ancients once lived by. Before serums, before supplements, before anti-aging became an industry, the secret to vitality was found in what we ate, smelled, and touched. Spices were never just flavor. They were medicine. They were protection. They were longevity. From golden powders to fragrant roots, these 7 spices do more than awaken the senses. They help your body rebuild collagen, balance hormones, and keep the fire of youth alive at every age. So today, we journey through your kitchen cabinet, not as cooks, but as explorers of ancient medicine and modern science. Let's begin. Sweet, warm, familiar. Cinnamon is the scent of comfort. But beneath that comforting aroma lies one of nature's most ancient healers. For over 4,000 years, cinnamon has been a symbol of vitality and divine favor. The ancient Egyptians used it in sacred oils and embalming rituals, believing it could preserve the body for eternity. Arabian merchants once carried it along secret spice routes, trading it for silver and gold. To the wealthy, it wasn't just a spice, it was life essence itself. And perhaps they were onto something. Modern science now confirms what ancient physicians only sensed. Cinnamon protects the body from within, beginning at the cellular level. Its power lies in cinnamaldehyde, a natural compound that boosts blood circulation, stabilizes blood sugar, and shields collagen from breakdown. You see, as we age, a process called glycation begins to stiffen and weaken collagen, the protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity. Cinnamon helps interrupt that process, protecting collagen fibers from the damage that leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of tone. But that's just the surface. Inside the body, cinnamon works quietly to restore balance. It improves how cells respond to insulin, helping your body manage energy more efficiently. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes, calmer hormones, and a steadier mood throughout the day. For women in midlife, especially those navigating the natural shifts in estrogen and insulin, this small spice can make a meaningful difference. Several studies have shown that cinnamon helps regulate irregular cycles in women with insulin-related conditions, while supporting cardiovascular health, the very system that delivers oxygen and nutrients to the skin. And then, there's its effect on the brain. Compounds in cinnamon appear to protect neurons from oxidative stress, helping preserve memory and focus as we age. It's not just an anti-aging spice for the body, it's nourishment for the mind. So how do we invite it into daily life? Start small. A sprinkle in your morning oatmeal. A dash in your coffee. A cinnamon stick simmered in warm tea or milk. Simple, ancient rituals that calm the senses and fortify the body. Sweetness that doesn't just please the palate, sweetness that heals. If there's one spice that defines longevity, it's turmeric, the golden root that has graced Indian kitchens and Ayurvedic scrolls for more than 4,000 years. Its vibrant color isn't just visual poetry, it's chemistry in action. Hidden within that golden pigment is curcumin, a compound so potent that scientists now call it nature's inflammation switch. Chronic inflammation is one of the body's quietest saboteurs, slowly eroding collagen, dulling the skin's natural glow, and sapping the energy reserves that keep you feeling alive. Curcumin acts like a gentle regulator, calming the body's inflammatory response and allowing your cells to repair and regenerate instead of constantly defending themselves. But turmeric's influence runs deeper than the skin. In Ayurveda, it was said to restore harmony between body and mind, and modern science echoes that wisdom. Curcumin supports hormonal balance, particularly during the midlife years when estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol begin to fluctuate. It aids the liver in metabolizing excess hormones, steadies blood sugar, and even protects the brain by neutralizing oxidative stress that accelerates cognitive aging. And perhaps that's why ancient healers described turmeric as a purifier of both blood and spirit. It enhances circulation, boosts detoxification, and encourages a calm, clear state of mind. When mixed with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper, the classic golden milk, curcumin becomes even more bioavailable, allowing your body to fully absorb its benefits. It's more than a comforting ritual. Each sip is a quiet act of renewal, a golden thread connecting ancient wisdom and modern longevity, one warm cup at a time. Spicy, aromatic, alive, ginger is movement in root form. Across Asia, it's been revered for centuries as the fire that wakes the body, stimulating digestion, kindling warmth, and restoring flow to the places that have gone still. In traditional medicine, ginger was said to open the channels, a poetic way of describing what modern science now confirms: improved circulation, enhanced nutrient absorption, and better oxygen delivery to every cell. At the heart of its power lies gingerol, a compound that reduces inflammation, sharpens blood flow, and fuels the repair of skin and connective tissue. When your circulation improves, so does your skin's radiance, because oxygen and nutrients finally reach where renewal begins. That's why consistent ginger intake often leads to a brighter complexion, stronger collagen networks, and faster cellular turnover. But ginger's gifts reach deeper than beauty. It's one of nature's most reliable hormonal stabilizers, supporting the adrenal glands, balancing blood sugar, and soothing the stress response that so often drives premature aging. In midlife, when cortisol and energy levels fluctuate wildly, ginger acts like a natural rhythm keeper, grounding, energizing, and steady. Even the act of drinking ginger tea feels medicinal, its warmth unfurling through the chest and limbs like a gentle current of energy, reminding the body of its innate capacity to heal. Every sip is a quiet awakening, a message to your cells that vitality is not lost, only waiting to be stirred. Tiny, sharp, and unassuming, black pepper might be the most underestimated spice in your kitchen. But inside each dark, wrinkled grain hides piperine, a compound that quietly rewires how the body absorbs and uses nutrients. Piperine doesn't just season your food, it activates it. It increases the bioavailability of compounds like curcumin, selenium, and beta-carotene, amplifying their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects by as much as 2,000%. In other words, black pepper doesn't just protect the body, it makes your other allies stronger. This is why pepper was so revered in Ayurveda and Greek medicine alike. It was the bridge between herbs and the human system. Practitioners believed it opened the channels, allowing medicines to reach deeper tissues, a poetic truth that modern pharmacology has now proven. But piperine's gifts extend beyond nutrient synergy. It improves circulation, stimulates digestive fire, and gently raises metabolic rate, helping nutrients move efficiently while supporting detoxification. Some studies even suggest that piperine increases dopamine and serotonin levels, natural neurotransmitters that regulate mood, focus, and resilience. In that way, black pepper works on two fronts, awakening the body and the mind. It grounds, warms, and clarifies, a small daily reminder that energy is not always about intensity, but about flow. A light grind over your turmeric tea or a dash on roasted vegetables, and you've quietly turned a meal into medicine. A subtle spark, a hidden amplifier. Sometimes true power doesn't announce itself. It whispers from the shadows of the spice rack. Then comes saffron, rare, luminous, almost sacred. Each thread is a fragment of sunrise, harvested by hand from the delicate crocus sativus flower. It takes nearly 75,000 blossoms to produce a single pound, which is why saffron was once reserved for queens, healers, and priests, a spice of luxury, but also of light. Across Persia, Greece, and India, saffron was woven into rituals of renewal. It was steeped into elixirs for vitality, mixed into healing balms, and burned in temples to lift the spirit. Ayurvedic texts call it varnya, meaning that which brings glow to the skin. And now, thousands of years later, science echoes the same truth. Saffron contains crocin, crocetine, and safranal, bioactive compounds that protect cells from oxidative damage and shield collagen from UV-induced breakdown. They also enhance circulation to the skin, brighten tone, and reduce signs of fatigue, especially around the eyes, where stress and sleeplessness leave their mark first. But saffron's magic isn't just skin deep. It gently raises serotonin and dopamine levels, helping restore hormonal balance and emotional equilibrium. That's why ancient physicians prescribed it for sadness, anxiety, and post-illness recovery, not merely to heal the body, but to bring joy back to the blood. Modern studies now explore saffron's role in boosting collagen gene expression, improving skin elasticity, and even reducing hyperpigmentation, a rare case where ancient poetry meets peer-reviewed evidence. A few crimson threads steeped in warm water or milk turn golden in seconds, a transformation both visual and chemical. Stir that gold into rice, tea, or honey, and you're not just seasoning your food. You're weaving a ritual of renewal. Saffron reminds us that beauty is not the absence of time, but the presence of harmony, when body, spirit, and color all return to balance. Softly floral, gently sweet. Cardamom is often called the queen of spices. Within each pale green pod lies a fragrance that has traveled through centuries, perfuming both temples and kitchens from India to Arabia. But cardamom's beauty isn't only in its scent, it's in its chemistry. Modern research reveals that cardamom supports three core foundations of longevity: digestion, detoxification, and hormonal balance. Its volatile oils, especially cineol, limonene, and terpenyl acetate, calm inflammation in the gut and liver, helping the body metabolize hormones more efficiently. When these systems flow in harmony, the effects ripple outward. Skin clears, mood steadies, energy returns. Cardamom also enhances oxygen uptake and circulation, gently invigorating the cells that produce collagen and renew tissue. That's why ancient healers prescribed it for fatigue, sluggish metabolism, and even melancholy, believing it could open the channels of the heart. Science now knows why. Cineol improves blood oxygenation, while antioxidants in cardamom protect against oxidative stress in both skin and brain. In Ayurvedic medicine, cardamom is considered tridoshic, meaning it balances all body types. It cools what is overheated, energizes what is stagnant, and soothes what is anxious. In Middle Eastern traditions, it's added to coffee not just for aroma, but as a digestive cleanser and a symbol of hospitality and renewal. Sprinkle cardamom into coffee, warm milk, smoothies, or baked fruit. Each pod, crushed and released, is an act of balance, a small green vessel carrying centuries of calm. Cardamom teaches us that healing doesn't have to shout. Sometimes it arrives quietly, one breath, one spice, one sip at a time. And finally, the clove. Small, dark, and deeply aromatic, cloves are the quiet giants of the spice world. In ancient trade routes, they were carried across oceans in silk and glass, precious enough to be guarded like treasure. Today, science reveals why. Cloves hold the highest antioxidant concentration of any spice on Earth. At their core lies eugenol, a powerful compound that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant all at once, a triple shield against cellular aging. Eugenol helps neutralize free radicals before they can damage collagen fibers, DNA, or skin tissue, effectively slowing the visible and invisible signs of aging. But cloves don't stop at the surface. They enhance circulation, strengthen digestion, and support oral and immune health, all systems that determine how youthfully our bodies function as time moves on. In traditional Chinese and Unani medicine, cloves were said to warm the blood, to rekindle inner vitality in those who felt drained or cold. This wasn't just poetry. Modern studies show clove oil can increase blood flow and improve nutrient delivery throughout the body. Even a small amount carries potency. A pinch of clove powder is stirred into warm tea. A whole bud simmered in soup or stew. Each release of aroma is more than flavor. It's protection, an invisible armor woven into your cells. Cloves remind us that resilience can be fragrant, that strength need not be loud. Sometimes power whispers, and it smells like warmth, memory, and comfort. From cinnamon's sweetness to turmeric's gold, from ginger's fire to saffron's glow, Every spice tells a story of renewal. These are not exotic ingredients. They are ancient teachers, inviting us to slow down, reconnect, and remember that aging gracefully isn't about resisting time. It's about nourishing life. When we bring these 7 spices into our meals, thoughtfully, consistently, we participate in a wisdom far older than medicine. A wisdom that says, beauty is chemistry. Yes, but it's also energy. And the more harmony we create within, the more radiance we see without. So let your kitchen be your apothecary, your meals, your rituals, and every spice a reminder. The glow you seek has always been within reach.